Yep, that's the stuff. Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, April 24th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We saw massive movement in Bitcoin today. At about 3 o'clock Central Time, Bitcoin price moved from about $7,100 to $7,500 in a span of like 15 to 20 minutes. The current price of Bitcoin is up 5.4% from yesterday at $7,515. Ethereum up 2.4% at $187.62. Dash up 1.4% at $82.24. And Litecoin up 4.2% at $43.38. Now, I know there's going to be something in the news about this huge movement, so join us later today when we go over the top cryptocurrency news articles written in the last 24 hours. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we will see you in the later video.